Welcome to LiveLeanTV. I'm Brad Gutfer from LiveLeanTV.com. So guys, on today's episode, I'm sharing a tasty chicken fajitas meal prep recipe that is paleo approved and healthier than a Chipotle bowl. So one of the problems that I see a lot of Live Leaners make is they don't cook in bulk. Now, cooking in bulk is one of the easiest ways to meal prep and always have healthy and delicious food available to you. So this tasty chicken fajitas meal prep recipe is a perfect paleo meal comprised of protein, healthy fat, and fiber. Now, these are the staple nutrients to not only fill you up, but to also live lean 365 days a year. But guys, before I share this tasty meal prep, do me a huge favor and smash that subscribe button down below to join over 335,000 other people in the Live Lean Nation. And while you're down there, don't forget to click the bell to turn on the notifications so you never miss a cooking video, a workout, or a Live Lean tip video. So here's how to make the tasty chicken fajitas meal prep recipe. This recipe makes 4 servings. Mix 1 cup of salsa, 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, 1 teaspoon of mixed garlic, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of lime juice in a big bowl. Slice up 4 6-ounce chicken breasts into bite-sized pieces and add them to the marinade mixture. Next, dice up 1 green pepper, 1 red pepper into bite-sized pieces, then add them to the mixture. Slice up 1 red onion thinly, then add it to the mixture. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a lid and allow the chicken fajita mix to marinate for at least 8 hours in the fridge. But guys, you could also stir fry it immediately. However, it just won't be as flavorful. So after 8 hours, remove the mixture from the fridge, then heat a frying pan over medium-high heat. Guys, there's no need to add any more oil to the pan as there's already avocado oil in the marinade. So cook the chicken for 6 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until the chicken is cooked all the way through. After removing the chicken fajita mixture from the pan, cut up 2 handfuls of arugula and add them to the bowls. Add the chicken fajita mixture on top of the arugula, then top each chicken fajita bowl with 1 tablespoon of sliced green onions. So guys, add the remaining chicken fajita mix to some Tupperware and store for leftovers. Nutrition information per serving: 342 calories, 57 grams of protein, 6 grams of carbohydrates, and 10 grams of fat.
Damn, that's good.
So there you go, guys. If you love quick and simple recipes like this and you're ready to turn your Live Lean journey into a sustainable lifestyle, you need to go join our team at teamlivelean.com. You're going to get access to over 200 cooking video recipes just like this, weekly meal plans and grocery lists, as well as a new 4-week workout program with exercise demo videos every single month. Guys, this is the step-by-step plan to live lean. Plus, guys, you're gonna get the accountability from both myself and from Jessica as your coaches, as well as hundreds of other Live Leaners who are on the same journey as you. So guys, I'm gonna put a clickable link in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching and keep living lean.